Vitamin C is vital for your immune system, connective tissue, heart and blood vessel health, among many other important roles. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that's found in many foods, particularly fruits and vegetables. It's well known for being a potent antioxidant as well as having positive effects on skin health and immune function. By eating some of the foods suggested in this video each day, your needs should be covered. Not getting enough of this vitamin can have negative effects on your health. Before watching video, don't forget to subscribe to channel and turn on notifications to get latest must-know videos. Number 1. Kakadu Plums. The Kakadu plum is an Australian native superfood containing 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. Kakadu plums contain up to 5,300 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, making it the richest known source of this vitamin. Just one plum packs 481 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 530% of the DV. It's also rich in potassium, vitamin E, and the antioxidant lutein, which may benefit eye health. Number 2. Acerola Cherries. Just 1/2 cup, 49 grams of red Acerola cherries delivers 822 milligrams of vitamin C or 913% of the DV. The fruit may even have cancer-fighting properties, although human-based research is lacking. Number 3. Rose hips. The rose hip is a small, sweet, tangy fruit from the rose plant. It's loaded with vitamin C. Rose hips provide 426 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. Around 6 pieces of this fruit deliver 132% of the DV and encourage healthier-looking skin. Vitamin C is needed for collagen synthesis, which supports skin integrity as you age. Number 4. Chili peppers. Green chili peppers contain 242 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. Therefore, one green chili pepper contains 109 milligrams of vitamin C and it delivers to 121% of the DV, while one red chili pepper contains 65 milligrams of vitamin C and it delivers to 72%. Moreover, chili peppers are rich in capsaicin, the compound that is responsible for their hot taste. Capsaicin may also reduce pain and inflammation. There is also evidence that approximately 1 tablespoon, 10 grams of red chili powder may help increase fat burning. Number 5. Guavas. The pink-fleshed tropical fruit is native to Mexico and South America. Guavas contain 228 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. The guava fruit contains 126 milligrams of vitamin C and it delivers to 140% of the DV for this vitamin. Number 6. Sweet yellow peppers. The vitamin C content of sweet or bell peppers increases as they mature. Yellow peppers contain the highest vitamin C concentration of all sweet peppers with 183 milligrams per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of sweet yellow peppers contain 137 milligrams of vitamin C and it delivers to 152% of the recommended DV. Number 7. Blackcurrants. Blackcurrants contain 181 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of blackcurrants pack contain 101 milligrams of vitamin C and it's 112% of the DV. It may help reduce chronic inflammation. Antioxidant flavonoids known as anthocyanins give them their rich dark color. Number 8. Thyme. Gram for gram, fresh thyme has 3 times more vitamin C than oranges and one of the highest vitamin C concentration of all culinary herbs. Thyme contains more vitamin C than most culinary herbs with 160 milligrams per 100 grams. 1 ounce of fresh thyme provides 50% of the DV for vitamin C. Number 9. Parsley. Along with other leafy greens, parsley is a significant source of plant-based non-hem iron. Vitamin C increases the absorption of non-hem iron. This helps prevent and treat iron deficiency anemia. Parsley contains 133 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. Sprinkling 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley on your meal delivers 11% of the DV for vitamin C, which helps increase iron absorption. Number 10. Mustard spinach. As with many dark leafy greens, mustard spinach is also high in vitamin A, potassium, calcium, manganese, fiber, and folate. Mustard spinach contains 130 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of this leafy green provides 217% of the DV for vitamin C when raw and 130% when cooked. Number 11. Kale. Kale is a cruciferous vegetable. Kale contains 120 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of raw kale contains 80 milligrams of vitamin C and it delivers to 89% of the DV for vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked kale provides 53 milligrams or 59% of the DV for vitamin C. Number 12. Kiwis. Studies have shown that vitamin C-rich kiwi fruit may help reduce oxidative stress, lower cholesterol, and improve immunity. Kiwis contain 93 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 medium-sized kiwi contains 71 milligrams of vitamin C and it provides 79% of the DV for vitamin C, which benefits blood circulation and immunity. Number 13. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable. Broccoli contains 89 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of steamed broccoli contains 51 milligrams of vitamin C and it provides 57% of the DV for vitamin C and may lower your risk of inflammatory diseases. One randomized study gave 27 young men who were heavy smokers a 250-gram serving of steamed broccoli containing 146 milligrams of vitamin C every day. After 10 days, their levels of the inflammatory marker C-reactive protein had decreased by 48%. Number 14. Brussels sprouts. Like most cruciferous vegetables, Brussels sprouts are also high in fiber, vitamin K, folate, vitamin A, manganese, and potassium. Brussels sprouts contain 85 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1/2 cup of steamed Brussels sprouts contains 49 milligrams of vitamin C and it provides 54% of the DV for vitamin C, which may improve your bone strength and function. Number 15. Lemons. Lemons were given to sailors during the 1700s to prevent scurvy. The vitamin C in lemon juice also acts as an antioxidant. When fruits and vegetables are cut, the enzyme polyphenol oxidase is exposed to oxygen. This triggers oxidation and turns the food brown. Applying lemon juice to the exposed surfaces acts as a barrier preventing the browning process. Lemons contain 77 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, with 1 medium lemon contains 83 milligrams of vitamin C and it's delivering 92% of the DV. Number 16. Lychees. Lychees contain 72 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 single lychee contains an average 7.5% of the DV for vitamin C, while a 1 cup serving provides 151%. Lychees also contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which benefit your brain, heart, and blood vessels. Studies specifically on lychee are unavailable. Nonetheless, this fruit provides plenty of vitamin C, which is known for its role in collagen synthesis and blood vessel health. Number 17. American persimmons. Persimmons are an orange-colored fruit that resembles a tomato. There are many different varieties. Though the Japanese persimmon is the most popular, the Native American persimmon contains almost 9 times more vitamin C. American persimmons contain 66 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 American persimmon packs contain 16.5 milligrams of vitamin C and it's 18% of the DV for vitamin C. Number 18. Papayas. Papaya contains 62 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of papaya, 145 grams, contains 87 milligrams of vitamin C and it's 97% of the DV, which may help improve memory. Vitamin C also aids memory and its potent anti-inflammatory effects in your brain. In one study, 20 people with mild Alzheimer's were given a concentrated papaya extract for 6 months. The results showed decreased inflammation and a 40% reduction in oxidative stress. Number 19. Strawberries. Strawberries contain a diverse and potent mix of vitamin C, manganese, flavonoids, folate, and other beneficial antioxidants. Strawberries contain 59 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. 1 cup of strawberry helps 152 grams, delivers 89 milligrams of vitamin C, and it's 99% of the DV. This nutritious fruit may help your heart and brain health. Studies have shown that due to their high antioxidant content, strawberries may help prevent cancer, vascular disease, dementia, and diabetes. Number 20. Oranges. Widely eaten, oranges make up a significant portion of dietary vitamin C intake. Oranges contain 53 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. One medium orange delivers 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 78% of the DV. Other citrus fruits, such as grapefruit, mandarins, and limes, are also good sources of vitamin C. For example, half a grapefruit contains 44 milligrams or 73% of the DV, a mandarin 24 milligrams or 39% of the DV, and the juice of one lime 13 milligrams or 22% of the DV. Widely eaten oranges make up a significant portion of dietary vitamin C intake. If you like our video, please subscribe the channel and turn on notifications to get latest must-know videos.